We're here at Cocoa Junior Senior High School visiting another one of our career and technical education programs. The Automotive Collision and Repair program here is unique. We have an industry grade paint booth right here where we can take a full vehicle in and paint it from top to bottom. But before we do that, the kids learn all those skills that they need to repair damage to a car from an accident or something like that. And when they're done with the program here, they can be employed right here in the county at one of our automotive repair facilities, either at a dealership or an independent automotive repair facility. This type of industry has always been here and it's not going away. So we want to expose our kids to the opportunities they have with working with their hands, but also skills. This is an industry that needs workers right now, and we're trying to help fill that need.
We have 5 auto mechanic programs, but this is the only auto body program, and it's a needed skill in the workforce, so we're excited to offer this. There's a large number of these students that are a hands-on type of person, and we can't leave that industry behind. They can earn a great living repairing and restoring vehicles, so I'm excited to have this opportunity for our students in Brevard.
My name's Chris Reich. I'm the collision shop manager at Gator Chrysler in Melbourne, Florida. With all the new technology coming out on these vehicles, it's something that we have to constantly stay on top of. Unfortunately, people are still wrecking cars on a regular basis. It's just an industry that's going to continue to stay busy, and I see it as an industry that's going to get busier as the years to come. We desperately need the younger generation to be involved and get excited about collision repair, because it's not a dying industry. It's a good long-term industry for somebody that can start off as a young tech fresh out of high school and make a great living. The opportunities are endless in our business right now.
Hi, my name's Patton Franklin Rife. I'm the instructor here at Cocoa High School. They have a chance to get ASE qualified, and they're usually hired right out of high school. Right now I have 4 students that's working at local dealerships.
I'm Denise Stewart, I'm the principal of Cocoa High School. Our CTE courses are really important to us. Here at Cocoa High, we really try to promote a college and career post-secondary plan for all of our students. Our students really gravitate more towards a career-minded post-secondary plan, and auto collision is a perfect example of that. We actually have a lot of students who are getting hired while in high school. We want to make sure that they're graduating not just with a high school diploma, but also with those career industry certifications. Last year you had 192 certifications that were earned by students, which was the highest in the county, so we're really proud of that work.